Ka Director Katanat Sambam Samdi Kecela Ka Saloni Verma IS kalau ong bakat kum kecing betah ka Sarkar Pedeng ha ka khatwe trik uliper aja apun rio kala dan kecing duna ha ki tendong le air shed bapendan kam ha ki dukan manshen habai krana kilat pathai kubor ka Director Kalakren Shai bakam dan jing duna ha ka bayadai bat ki tendong le air shed ki bapendan kam ha ki yeng ki sam manshed jing shed ka Sarkar Pedeng ki company bawan rai ka le air shed baki Sarkar Jala ki pej bakan num dan kecing thon Nakaliang jong ka director kalapan syai ke ka balong shiwa ka khatway terik uluber aja apan rio ka jingdan kam yiki tendong le airshad man kasngi kalong hapadeng hen rio acara do nyo acara teli man kasngi habalas dang jingja ka thamala syam balasam syaki paj ba man kasngi sana acara do nyo acara teli man la kasngi nakaliang jong ka tanat sam bam ka yo ya ka jingte ba ka dan ka jingthot ba na ka benta ka ne kidan atli ki daw ka baningkong kalong ba ka company ban yo ya ka tendong le air ka dan ka DAC ka bahap apply online bana ka benta ka ni dan kam ya ka EKYC bat ka ne ka de ka jing batha ka balaslam kam de ka bami hadin ka ni jing ndre ka mi no ka ni jing na ka daw jong ka thmai ki company ki bapen bang ki tendong le air shed ki pelong babaro ki haban le ya ka ni ka EKYC de na ka ni ka daw layo ya ka jing yang lan jong ki brio ha ki chaka sam le air shed haba ki lakli ni ki company ki ong ba kam dan kata ka jing thot ha ka bapen poy ka air shed ki bapendan kam haying hasam kaba ara baya de bakil airshad bapendan kam hay dukan shiwa bakan mi kani kaching dan kam ki tendong le airshad kalong sia char teli man kasni ndre namar kathma a middle east kala dan kaching thot ha ka bapen poi ya kal airshad ha ba yo iya kani ka sarkar pedeng ka penduna ya baro ki chela ha kari ka sarkar pedeng kala bha 8% man kas ka bamut na ka sia char teli ki ba ka chela ka dan kam menta on yo no satang arts pateli man kasngi Henry ki school baki hospital la ai shaki klem don jingthon na mari ki hapyo deina ni kadaw ka don ka jingdu na ha ki hotel bat ki we ki dukan
the LPG situation in the state at present in Meghalaya. So simply put, as per Government of India's directives from 11th March 2026, there has been a certain cap on commercial LPG supply. So I would like to make it clear that as for domestic LPG, which is household LPG consumption, there is no such cap from the Government of India. As such, the efforts are by the state government, central government, and the oil marketing companies to ensure that domestic LPG supply is not disrupted at all. So, in that light, I'd like to share just some figures so that it's clear to everybody. Pre-crisis, which is before 11th March 2026, yes, 2026, before crisis, our average daily LPG cylinder requirement, domestic, I'm only talking about domestic, was around 6,000 to 7,000 cylinders daily, right? And after the crisis began, 11th March onwards, officially as we call it, we can see, as per the numbers that are there with us, that on an average, 5,000 to 7,000 cylinders are being delivered daily to domestic LPG consumers. Having said that, yes, we are aware that sometimes there are lines in front of depots and distributor shops, but there are two main reasons for that, and I would like to make everybody aware of what these reasons are. The first reason is that from the oil marketing companies, there is something called a DAC that needs to be issued for anybody which wants a domestic LPG connection. You apply for it online. But to get this DAC, you need to have your EKYC done. So unfortunately in our state, and this directive has been there from a long time. It's not like in the crisis situation, suddenly this was implemented, this EKYC mandation. But now that there's a crisis, so oil marketing companies are also, they were already, but now they are also implementing it mandatorily, so that there is no black marketing, no hoarding, no pilferage. Since EKYC is mandatory now for domestic LPG consumers, that is why you see these lines, because people have been rushing to these distributor shops with their documents to do EKYC and all those things. So as a result, there have been lines at these shops. But as per the data we have collated it with our inspectors of supply, with our contacts in the OMC. There is no disruption in the domestic LPG supply. That's point number one. Point number two, coming to commercial LPG. So the commercial LPG requirement of our state before crisis was around 1,000 cylinders per day. Now, what the government of India had to do, because given that the Middle East war-like situation which was happening, and there was a certain disruption in supply, since at that time India was getting its imports of LPG from the Middle East. So, seeing that, the government of India imposed a cap for all states, that all states will only get 20% of their commercial LPG allocation daily. What that means is, out of 1,000, which is Meghalaya's daily commercial need, we were getting 200 cylinders. Now, please appreciate that in this 1,000, you have hospitals, you have educational institutions, and you have our hotels and dhabas mainly, right? As per Government of India, it was mandatory that hospitals and educational institutions still get their 100%, right? So within now this commercial LPG, let's say you need 1,000 every day, but you're getting only 200 cylinders every day. Those 200 also, first the priority is to hospitals and educational institutions. As a result, there was definitely a shortage for restaurants and dhaba owners, and that is something that the government is cognizant of. Unfortunately, this was a pan-India situation. However, through routine deliberations, be it at the highest levels of the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Minister, and be it at our level, let's say at the Commissioner Secretary level, the Director level, we had constantly been requesting the Government of India to please understand that Meghalaya has a special scenario wherein commercial, we don't have, let's say, heavy industries, etc. We just have these, the tourism sector, the hospitality sector really needs these LPG. So as a result of continuous back and forth, continuous negotiation, and the Government of India has also been taking stock of other states, they have been increasing the commercial LPG supply. So as of today, the commercial LPG allocation is now enhanced to 70% of regular quota for all states. Right, and out of, again, now that we are entitled to 70%, definitely the situation will get better for our tourism operators, for our restaurants and dhaba owners, for our hotels. So for commercial, I can tell you from 11th March onwards, I have the figures. We were getting an average of 200 to 250 cylinders per day. Obviously, that is less, and indeed there was hence a shortage to our, tourism industry stakeholders. But in the last few days, from 25th to 27th March, we have been getting, let's say, 300 to 350 cylinders. And right now, I don't have the figure for 28th and 29th March and 30th March. Those 3 days, I don't have it yet because the OMC is still retrieving them, and they will supply it to us. And we will issue a press release with that updated figure. But for the past 3 days, I'm being told that around 400 cylinders per day Meghalaya has received. So this is an ongoing situation. We are hoping that with time, this allocation, now that letter has also come for 70%, right? It takes 2-3 days for these letters to be effective. So it will go up.